In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right accounting software for your business. Selecting the perfect tool can transform how you manage your finances, streamline operations, and even save you time. Let's dive into the essential factors you need to consider when making your choice. First off, consider the size of your business. Depending on whether you're a startup, a small business, or a larger enterprise, the needs and complexities of your accounting processes will differ significantly. For small to medium-sized businesses, a straightforward and user-friendly interface might be more advantageous. But if you're operating a larger establishment, you might require more complex features like advanced reporting and industry-specific tools. This is where scalability becomes paramount. As your business grows, your software should be able to adapt effortlessly. Next, let's talk about features. QuickBooks, for instance, has a comprehensive suite of features that cover full accounting needs. This includes tracking income and expenses, capturing and organizing receipts, invoicing and payments, inventory management, and more. It's an excellent all-rounder, especially for businesses that require both depth and breadth in their accounting functionalities. On the other hand, if you're seeking a solution with a strong cloud-based system, Xero stands out. Its cloud capability makes it accessible from anywhere, offering flexibility and real-time updates, which is crucial for businesses with remote or hybrid models. Xero also integrates well with numerous third-party apps, making it a robust choice for those looking for seamless integration with their existing tools. If your focus is primarily on invoicing and handling the financials for a small business, FreshBooks is a great contender. It excels in invoicing capabilities, allowing businesses to easily create professional-looking invoices, automate billing, and accept payments online. Its simplicity and efficiency make it particularly attractive to freelancers and small business owners who prioritize getting paid quickly and keeping on top of their financial management with minimal hassle. Now let's discuss pricing. You'll want to ensure that the software you choose is within your budget, yet still offers the essential features your business requires. QuickBooks offers varying plans ranging from basic to advanced, allowing businesses to pick a plan that best suits their needs. Xero and FreshBooks also provide tiered pricing, which means you can start with a basic package and upgrade as your business needs evolve. Remember that upfront costs aren't the only consideration. Also take into account any additional fees associated with added features or extra users. Lastly, look at integrations. The ability of the software to seamlessly integrate with other systems you use can drastically enhance your workflow efficiency. Whether it's connecting with your CRM system, e-commerce platform, or payroll system, ensure that the software can communicate and work harmoniously with your existing tools. Ultimately, the right accounting software will not only simplify your financial management, but also support your business's growth and success. Consider your specific needs, weigh your options carefully, and opt for a solution that feels right for you and your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make a well-informed decision.